Hey guys, I'm here with Dina. She's actually one of our staff and she's had a long day at work today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her adjusted. Good. 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 In and out. Good. Good. Again. Out. Good. Okay. Good, good, good. Good. All right. So Dina, I'm gonna go ahead and check some range of motion for you, okay? And do some palpation, and then we'll go ahead and get you adjusted, okay? All right. Any pain or discomfort with any of those motions? Not really? Okay, all right, good. Let's go side to side. All right, let's go backwards, slow it down a little bit. Good. And then go forward. Okay, all right. Let me have you on your back for me. All right, Dina, relax for me, okay? Good. Relax your head. Good. Relax. Good. Okay, come on up. Tell me how you feel. Move your neck around. Tell me how that feels.
Great.
Feels pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So now I'm going to have you face down, so you'll be on your stomach. All right, Dina, relax on me, okay? Relax, relax. Good. All right, let me go to the other side. All right. Relax for me. Good. All right, come on up.
You can come up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, so now let's try and get your thoracic spine, okay? All right, so I'm gonna have you put both feet this way. Good. Slide down a little bit. Sliding. Good. Arms. Okay. Go back down. Actually slide down a little bit.
Down.
Mm-hmm. Okay, deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, perfect. All right. You felt that pop on that side? Good. All right, very good. Okay, let me have you on your stomach. Take a deep breath, blow it out for me, Dina. Out. Good. Again. Out. Good. Okay. All right. Now, let's have you on your side. All right. Both legs straight for me. Good. And just put your head right in the middle right here. I'm going to fix you up. Come closer to the end of the table. Keep coming. Good. Okay. Nice. All right, Dina, relax, okay? Good, good, good. Relax your whole body for me. Good, good, good. Good.
That's a nice stretch.
Yeah. Relax, slowly. Relax. Good. All right. Good. Going up. Hey, Gina, so come on up, move around for me. Let me know how you feel. Good.
I needed that.
You feel pretty good?
Yeah.
So now you can work and see about 50 people. All right. So how's your range of motion? Move downward and then rotate, and let me know how that feels.
Feels good.
Feels pretty good?
It's usually my right hip. I
Mhm.
just deal, with just redirecting myself there.
Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. Good. All right. Thank you.